Do you feel unmotivated, lazy, unproductive, or unhappy? If yes, then this video is for you, so stay tuned till the end.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How can I get started for you?
Hi, can I do a tall pumpkin cream cold brew?
It's for you.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited. I'm getting right now, y'all heard me, I'm getting my little pumpkin drink. It's been a minute since I've done an intro, so I'm gonna do a little quickie. My name is Catherine. I create content around self-improvement, mindset, lifestyle, wellness, just a little bit of everything because I'm a very multi-passionate person. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, or you just want to become your best self, subscribe and join the fam. And if you guys are the returning fam, y'all know I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here once again. Today, we're gonna be talking about laziness. I was feeling a little lazy this morning. I slept until about 10 a.m. when I usually wake up around 7:30 during the week. I took the L. Last night, I stayed up, worked a little bit on scripting my next week's videos,
Which took a little bit longer than I thought.
and I decided to watch Netflix before I went to sleep. Right now, I'm watching Love is Blind. I just love that show. It's so good. Oh, thank you. A good one. Look what you got! Oh, this is so cute! I've never gotten one of these. My dog doesn't even know. Look what I have for you! Oh, Jesus Christ! You made a mess! Laziness can be the primary reason why we don't reach something or we can't reach something that we desire. We have to put a stop to this because it is time for us to enter our best self era, okay, and start taking action. Oh my god, this just gave me some deja vu, y'all.
But you already ate your pup cup.
Last time I had this drink was when I was working in the airport, and ooh, fun times. Tastes literally like fall. It tastes like pumpkin. Girl, we are tackling this head on, y'all. Why is my blinker on? I just lost my train of thought. Okay, as I was saying, yes, I have my little lazy eras. I have been able to use these tactics that I'm going to share with you guys to be able to stay consistent with being disciplined. Thank you. Me too. When I was researching about this, laziness actually comes from a lack of motivation, lack of interest, lack of sleep. Laziness doesn't really have a positive rep because when you're lazy, you don't get anything done. Being lazy really impacts your daily routine. It impacts your lifestyle. It can impact your relationships. It can impact a lot of things in your day-to-day life. You really have to look at, why are you lazy? Why are you in this lazy era? Is it because you're not getting enough sleep? Is it because you don't feel motivated? You don't feel excited about your day? You're not working towards a vision or a goal? Maybe it's that you're trying to do a lot of things at one time, that you're feeling overwhelmed.
That's definitely me right there.
For you, my love. First things first, you have to actually get up from your bed and you need to start moving. A body in motion is going to stay in motion, and then a body at rest is going to stay in rest. So if you just stay in bed all day, every day, that's all you're ever going to do because you are not going to get up. Your body is already used to staying in bed. It's not going to motivate you to want to get up. So you're going to have to do that all on your own. This is where the 5-second rule really comes into place. Mel Robbins, thank you for the tips. Count back from 5. And then immediately at 1, you just get up. Literally just shoot yourself up like you're a freaking rocket. Once you have your 2 feet on the floor and you are physically up, there's no going back. Now you just gotta get walking. You gotta get going, go walk around your block, do some stretches, go to the gym for a couple minutes, do anything that you can do to get active and move your body. When you exercise, whatever it is that you do, even if it's just 5 minutes, you're releasing happy chemicals. You're releasing endorphins. It's also a way for you to build your confidence because you actually showed up for yourself. You actually got up from bed. Also, make sure you have your bed done because if you don't have your bed ready, then you're just gonna want to huddle back inside. That signals our mind like, oh, my bed is made, so that means that it's not time for me to go to sleep yet. That's gonna be your first accomplishment. Now we are headed to the gym. I'm gonna be working out with my friend. So let's go move our body. freaking awesome workout. I feel so pumped. Now, once you have moved your body, you've done your bed, you're in movement, now you have to really visualize your future. Visualization is so freaking powerful, you guys. It may not be fun. It is gonna require some stillness. It's gonna help you not only see that your future is real, that it's actually something that you can accomplish, but it's also gonna motivate you to want to work towards it. And you can make this fun. You can romanticize. If you wanna go to a coffee shop, if you wanna make a vision board, you go outside, you wanna do some journaling, whatever it is that you have to do to make it enjoyable, do it. Just start writing whatever comes to your mind whenever you think about your future. What are things that you love to do? What are things that you enjoy doing that bring you peace, that make you feel fulfilled? Imagine yourself successfully completing all of your goals and dreams. What do you do? What does it take to get there? What do you want to achieve in your life and why? Because your why is going to be your driving force. It's what's going to keep you moving. It's what's going to get you out of your lazy era. Understanding your purpose will keep you motivated when things get tough. For me, my why, I have a lot of whys, but my biggest why is going to be for my family, for my current family and my future family. My parents have done so much for me. I want to be able to see them relax, not have to be stressed about bills, be able to retire early, be able to do what the things that they love. And then obviously for my future family, I want them to be set. I don't want them to have a mindset around money that is scarce. I don't want them to think that being successful, it's something unreachable, that you always have to be stressed about life. You're not going to be able to travel. You have to be worried about bills. Also, for me, I want to be able to be free and in control of my life. I don't want to be tied down to a desk all my life. I want to be able to travel wherever, whenever I want. Once you have a vision on what you want your future to look like, you have to create goals, and then you have to break them down into more manageable, actionable steps. So this can be in your career, in your finances, in your own personal goals, in your fitness, whatever goals that ignite you, challenge you, they excite you, anything that's gonna get you up from your bed every single day, taking action, building your future, making moves. Because when your goals align with your passion, then motivation just becomes natural. You're gonna be so excited to want to achieve these goals because they're so aligned with the things that you enjoy. You're gonna want to show up every single freaking day. You're gonna have to build discipline. This is something that I've talked so much about on my channel. Without discipline, I don't think I would be where I am right now. Discipline has shown me that you have to show up no matter how you feel. If you feel tired, it's raining outside, you had a long day, you still have to show up. Now, obviously, logically, if you've been going to the gym for the past 6 days and you haven't rested, you need 1 to 2 rest days a week. But if it's like every single day you're not showing up, weeks are passing by, you're making excuses, then you need to get disciplined. Because discipline is the bridge between your goals and accomplishment. You have to start small by forming habits. Start walking around your block. Start running for 10 minutes. Start going to the gym for 10 minutes. So something for you just to be able to say, I showed up today. I actually engaged in this habit. And then from there, you're going to build on it. And from those habits, you have to create a routine that you're going to be able to stick with even when you don't feel like it. And you look at the most successful people in the world and the happiest people in the world, they have routines. They have a morning routine. They have an evening routine. I don't drink my greens. I don't have my lemon water. I don't have my overnight oats. I don't go to the gym. My whole day just goes downhill. If you're just waking up in the morning, 5 minutes before you have to go to work, rush out the door, you don't eat breakfast, that's how your whole day is gonna be. You're gonna be rushed. You're gonna feel groggy. And I actually just got to my parents, so I'm gonna help them out with something, and then we will continue this. Went to my parents, stopped by the dollar store, and now I'm finally about to shower. I don't think that's hygienic, but we'll do better next time. What I do as I, unpack things, or while I'm cooking or taking a shower, I like to put on a podcast, or I'll put on like a motivational TED Talk or an interview, anything educational where I can learn more about my mindset, my health, my wellness, because seeking inspiration has been a game changer for me. I said this in my last videos as well, but the Mindset Mentor podcast was the thing that actually started my self-improvement journey. Like, that's what opened my eyes to see that I want to be better. I want to be in control of my life. I am going to build the life of my dreams. I just have fallen in love with doing that, and it motivates me. Like, whenever I feel down, whenever I feel overwhelmed, stressed with life, or overall just in a rut, I just go look for some inspiration. You know, reading books, joining other communities where you guys have similar goals and visions, and just surrounding yourself by positive people. It's gonna make you feel more motivated. It's gonna push you to want to be better. Also said, the people that you spend the most time with, you're gonna start captivating those habits that they have. So if you hang around lazy people or people who don't have a vision for their future, they just like to party, they just like to drink, to gossip, be negative, it's gonna start influencing you to start being that way, and vice versa. By surrounding yourself by people who motivate you and inspire you, you're also allowing yourself to learn from them, because you have to learn from people who walk the path that you want to walk. Got me some golden pumpkin spice spray because it is fall. The girl's about to shower, and I'm going to be putting on a podcast. The Huberman Lab has been the most recent one. I have become obsessed with our brain, neuroplasticity, neurology. We're gonna listen to optimize and control your brain chemistry to improve health and performance.
That's random, right? Civic reparative goals 3 today, because phase 3 of the 24-hour cycle, that's 17 to 20 sleep, whether or not you're nocturnal or diurnal, right? 17 hours after waking, you ought in phase 2. Whereas in phase 2 of the day, serotonin tends to dominate more than dopamine, and you really need to be focused and alert. You have to resort to tools that can do that far more potently, and that can do that in a much more sustained way than the genes and proteins that cells express.
This is going to be something that is a must, and it's definitely something that is tedious, especially for me. It's gonna be prioritization and time blocking. Time is limited, so we have to be able to use our time wisely. A couple months ago, I did start doing this, and I have my Google Calendar here up right now because since I'm filming this, I am feeling motivated. I fell off the tracks, but I saw the difference. I mean, whenever you time block, you are holding yourself accountable. Your daily schedule time blocked is focused on work, breaks, and relaxation. You set up a certain time frame where you're gonna focus. You're gonna give yourself little breaks in between. You don't end up taking longer breaks than you should and wasting time. You're also gonna set up time for relaxation, time with your loved ones, to go out and have fun with your friends, or to do some self-care. If we let our brain decide how we use our time, our brain literally wants us to stay comfortable. It's gonna let you stay in bed, on your phone, watching Netflix, playing video games. Whatever it is that you do normally, you're gonna stay in that same routine because your brain doesn't want to change. It doesn't want to use any more energy than it has to. But if we want to be successful, want to be fit, we want to be healthy, we have to do what everyone else is not doing. A lot of our distractions and our wasted time comes from our phone. We feel exhausted from our day. We've been dealing with a lot all day. We just want to go on our phone and forget about it. What was 5 minutes to now it's like 30, 40 minutes, an hour. And Google Calendar is free, so there's no excuse for you not to use it. That's a wrap for today's video. It is time to exit the lazy era, all right? It's time to be disciplined, productive, motivated, and start building the life that you deserve. Remember, it's not gonna happen overnight, but with dedication and consistency, you'll achieve success, okay? As always, I appreciate you guys, and stay blessed.
Oh my, what a one.